What's up, guys? Lego here with Dyna Demos, bringing you another FXR walk around. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. And if you guys happen to like the video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. But I'll give you a little quick look right now. There she is. All right, let's get into it. All right, everybody, the moment you've been waiting for, the 1991 FXR Convertible. So here she is, the big reveal. Some of you guys may have seen this one posted up on Instagram. Bought it from a dude named Jake. I'll put his info up there on the screen. Dope. Now I'm just gonna walk around this one real quick so you guys can see it. Now the paint on this is freaking beautiful still. All right, now that I did that quick little walk around, I'll give you guys a backstory about this bike. All right, so my buddy's still in Japan. I hit him up after I seen this bike was posted. I'm like, yo, dog, pay the money and I'll go pick this up for you. And then he was like, bet. Went over there like 9:30. He had some issues though, just setting up PayPal to try to send that amount of money. So I spotted him a quick $1,000 just to hold the bike overnight, and then I went and got it the next day once I pulled the money out of the bank. So that's the backstory on the bike. Now I'll start with the front of the bike and we'll move all around this thing. All right, starting with the front of the bike, it's got a 39mm quick detach windscreen. I'm actually gonna pull this off and put it on my bike. I asked my buddy and he was cool with that. I did pay him for it though, but it's pretty cool because I wanted one already and then it just worked out. So I'm gonna grab that from him. This did come with the dual calipers on the front, which is definitely awesome. It adds to the braking power. I'm not sure how FXRs feel with the single disc because I've only rode the dual disc up to this point, but the dual disc adds for that extra stopping power, so that's nice. Now the handlebars, if you guys see those, pretty sure these are stock. They're just some normal ape hangers, not too crazy or anything. Grips, these don't look stock. These are probably done after. The single speedometer though, this bike did come with a tack, which they had taken off, but luckily they did have it. So I'm not sure if my buddy's gonna wanna install it or not, but if he does, it's there, so that's good. Got the center field dash. Everything works, still in pretty good shape. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys though, this freaking paint. I'm telling you, this paint's in better shape than my bike. It's freaking beautiful. Moving on, we got this crash bar. Chrome's in still pretty good shape. My buddy actually said that I could get it, so I paid him for that already. I'm gonna put that on my bike. This engine, it has a 80 cubic inch motor. I'm pretty sure that came standard on the FXRs for quite a while. If you know what year they changed, let me know. It's got the stock exhaust on it, as well as the stock CV carb still, which this bike fires right up and it runs, so pretty cool. Not sure if he's gonna want to change that out immediately. Covers need replaced, obviously. This shock, HD brand, not sure if this one's a stock one, but it works, looks good with the bike. Chrome strut covers, and then you got the bug eye taillights, which I never liked those. Hopefully he goes to the integrated because it just looks better, but this is what I thought was really cool. Never seen that before. Don't know if that's standard or not. License plate mount, that one's not standard. And look at this freaking paint. Make sure you guys get an up-close view of the other side. This is one of the things that really stood out about this bike was the Corbin Seat. They're really giving Saddlemen a run for their money. Not sure which company's been around for longer, but this seat looks freaking good. Cover needs to get replaced. That's nothing. Still is belt driven. I'm not sure if he's gonna want to chain drive it or not. I think chain drive looks a lot better. Primary cover looks like it's in pretty good shape. The inner primary kind of rough, but I think this bike sat for a long time. And like I said, the engine just needs freshened up. But she's a runner. She runs good. Idle's fine and everything. Rode it on the freeway. No issues whatsoever. Another shot of the paint. I forgot, guys. I forgot to get that front fender in there. But again, the paint on it is absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, we're even gonna get a picture of us starting at. I realized my last walk around, I didn't get one, so key on, fuel, choke, make sure it's in neutral, start. There we go. All right, it's idling right now, so I gotta let it sit for about a minute and then I'm gonna be able to go ride it. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna do it for the video. Today was just gonna be a quick one, just a quick walk around for my buddy. He hasn't even been able to ride the bike or anything. He's not getting back for about 2 more weeks. So he's just gonna be tortured at all the pictures I post of his bike. I may even get out and ride it a little bit. But if you guys liked the video today, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And then if you wanna walk around done to your bike and you're in the local San Diego area, hit me up and we can make it happen.